Oh no, I don't have my wallet.
What? When did you last see it?
I had it this morning.
Are you sure?
Yes, I wanted to open a bank account today.
And now your wallet is gone?
Yes, my ID card is inside.
Don't worry. Let's think carefully. Was it there?
I looked in my bag. No.
What about your jacket pocket?
Wait.
Did you find it?
Yes! It was in my jacket!
That's great!
I was so nervous.
I know, but now you can relax.
Welcome to Learn English with Alex and Alice.
One conversation at a time.
I still feel a little nervous.
Is this your first time opening a bank account?
Yes, it is.
That's normal. Many people feel nervous.
I don't know what to say.
That's why we'll practice together.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
Imagine you are at the bank.
Okay, I'm ready.
What do you want to do today?
I want open a bank account.
Very good. Just one small change.
What should I say?
Say, I'd like to open a bank account.
I'd like to open a bank account.
Excellent.
I'd like to open a bank account.
Perfect. One more time slowly.
I'd like to open a bank account.
Wonderful. That's a very useful sentence.
I'd like to open a bank account.
Great job. You'll hear this sentence many times today.
I already feel more confident.
Good. Confidence grows with practice.
What happens after I say that?
Then you may answer a few simple questions.
Like what?
They may ask, do you have your ID?
I have my ID.
Very nice. Or they may ask, do you have proof of address?
Proof of address.
Yes, it shows where you live.
Oh, I understand.
Let's practice.
Okay,
Repeat after me.
I'm ready.
I have my ID.
I have my ID.
Excellent. I have proof of address.
I have proof of address.
Great. Now let's say them together.
I'd like to open a bank account.
I have my ID.
I have proof of address.
Fantastic.
Those sentences are easy.
Yes, short sentences are powerful.
I think I can remember them.
I think you can too. Now, a quick question for everyone listening.
Listen carefully.
Why was I worried at the beginning?
Take a moment to think.
Do you know the answer?
I was worried because I couldn't find my wallet,
That's right.
but I found it in my jacket pocket.
Exactly. Never panic. Stay calm and think carefully.
That really helped me.
Now, another question.
Ready?
What sentence should you say when you want a new bank account?
Think before I answer.
Do you remember?
I'd like to open a bank account.
Perfect.
I'd like to open a bank account.
Excellent pronunciation.
I'm happy. I don't feel as nervous now.
That's wonderful. You're already making progress.
I think I'm ready to go into the bank.
I think so too. But first, let's learn what to say when the bank asks for your personal information.
Personal information? I hope it's easy.
It is. We'll practice together.
Thank you. That helps me.
Let's start with a simple question.
Okay.
They may ask, what's your full name?
My full name is Alex Johnson.
Very good.
My full name is Alex Johnson.
Excellent. Nice and clear.
What comes next?
They may ask, can I see your ID, please?
Can I say, sure, here you are?
Yes, that's a perfect answer.
Sure, here you are.
Great. Let's say it again.
Sure, here you are.
Wonderful.
I like that sentence.
It's short and polite.
I can remember it.
I know you can.
What if they ask for my address?
They may say, what's your address?
Then I can answer with my address.
Exactly.
Is that difficult?
Not at all. Just speak slowly.
Sometimes I speak too fast.
That's okay. Slow English is clear English.
Slow English is clear English.
Excellent. Remember that.
I will.
Now let's practice a short conversation.
I'm ready.
What's your full name?
My full name is Alex Johnson.
Can I see your ID, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Perfect. That sounded very natural.
Really?
Yes, you sounded confident.
That makes me happy.
Confidence grows one sentence at a time.
I like that.
Now let's learn another useful sentence.
Okay.
Sometimes you don't understand.
That happens to me a lot.
And that's completely okay.
What should I say?
You can say, "Could you say that again, please?"
Could you say that again, please?
Excellent.
Could you say that again, please?
One more time, slowly.
Could you say that again, please?
Perfect.
I think this sentence will help me.
It will. Even native speakers ask people to repeat things.
Really?
Of course, nobody understands everything the first time.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Never feel embarrassed.
Sometimes I worry people will laugh.
A good person will help you, not laugh.
That's true.
And every time you speak English, you become stronger.
Even if I make mistakes?
Especially when you make mistakes.
Really?
Yes, mistakes help you learn.
Then I'm not afraid anymore.
That's the spirit.
Can we practice again?
Of course.
I'm ready.
Can I see your ID, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Could you sign here, please?
Sorry, could you say that again, please?
Certainly. Could you sign here, please?
Oh, I understand now.
Excellent. You asked politely.
I didn't panic this time.
Exactly. You stayed calm.
I feel proud.
And you should.
Can we ask our viewers something?
Great idea.
Here's a listening challenge.
Listen carefully.
Which sentence did I use when I didn't understand?
Think for a moment.
Do you remember?
Say it before Alex.
Could you say that again, please?
Excellent if you did it right.
Let's say it together one last time.
Could you say that again, please?
Could you say that again, please?
Fantastic.
I think I'm finally ready to open my bank account.
I think you are too.
But I still have one question.
What is it?
After I open my account, how do I put money into it?
That's a great question.
I don't know the right English.
Don't worry, that's exactly what we'll practice next.
I'm excited now.
Me too. You're doing a great job.
Thank you. I couldn't do it alone.
You're learning because you keep practicing.
I want to put money into my new account.
Great. That's called making a deposit.
A deposit?
Yes, a deposit means you put money into your bank account.
Deposit.
Very good.
Deposit.
Now say this sentence.
I'm ready.
I'd like to make a deposit.
I'd like to make a deposit.
Excellent.
I'd like to make a deposit.
One more time, slowly.
I'd like to make a deposit.
Perfect pronunciation.
That wasn't difficult.
Not at all.
What if I want to take money out?
That's called a withdrawal.
Withdrawal.
Good. It has a longer sound.
Withdrawal.
Well done.
So a deposit means money goes in,
Exactly.
and a withdrawal means money comes out.
Perfect. You got it.
Let me try.
Go ahead.
I'd like to make a withdrawal.
Excellent.
I'd like to make a withdrawal.
Wonderful.
I think I understand now.
Let's practice both together.
Okay.
I'd like to make a deposit.
I'd like to make a deposit.
I'd like to make a withdrawal.
I'd like to make a withdrawal.
Fantastic.
Can I ask another question?
Of course.
What if I want to know how much money I have?
You can ask, what's my balance?
What's my balance?
Very good.
What's my balance?
One more time.
What's my balance?
Excellent.
That's easy to remember.
Yes, it's short and useful.
So I can say, what's my balance?
Exactly.
I like learning these simple sentences.
Simple English is powerful English.
Simple English is powerful English.
I love that.
Me too.
Now let's practice a short conversation.
Let's do it.
What would you like to do today?
I'd like to make a deposit.
Certainly.
Thank you.
Is there anything else?
Yes. What's my balance?
Very nice.
That felt like a real conversation.
Because it is a real-life conversation.
I feel much more confident now.
And confidence is the goal.
Sometimes I still forget words.
That's normal.
Really?
Yes, learning takes time.
So I shouldn't give up.
Never.
Even if I make mistakes?
Even then.
Thank you for always encouraging me.
You're welcome. Every small step is progress.
Let's give everyone another challenge.
Great idea.
Listen carefully.
I said 2 important bank words today.
Can you remember them?
The first word means putting money into your account.
The second word means taking money out.
Think for a few seconds.
Do you know the answers?
Say them before Alex.
Deposit.
And?
Withdrawal.
Excellent.
If you remembered both words, great job.
You are improving every day.
Let's practice one last time.
Repeat after us.
I'd like to make a deposit.
I'd like to make a deposit.
I'd like to make a withdrawal.
I'd like to make a withdrawal.
What's my balance?
What's my balance?
Wonderful. Those sentences make me feel ready for the bank.
You're almost ready.
Almost?
Yes, there's one more important thing every bank customer should know.
What is it?
Let's learn how to transfer money and ask for help politely.
Transfer money. I hear that a lot.
Yes, it's very common.
What does it mean?
It means sending money from one account to another.
Oh, I see.
Now repeat after me.
I'm ready.
I'd like to transfer money.
I'd like to transfer money.
Excellent.
I'd like to transfer money.
One more time, slowly.
I'd like to transfer money.
Perfect.
That sounds easy.
It is. You are learning quickly.
Thank you.
Sometimes you may need help,
Yes, I don't know everything.
and that's okay.
What should I say?
You can say, "Could you help me, please?"
Could you help me, please?
Very good.
Could you help me, please?
One more time.
Could you help me, please?
Excellent.
I like polite English.
People usually like polite English too.
Can we practice another conversation?
Of course.
Let's begin.
Hello, how can I help you today?
I'd like to transfer money.
Certainly.
Could you help me, please?
Of course. I'd be happy to help.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
That felt natural.
Because those are real conversations people have every day.
I don't feel afraid anymore.
That's wonderful to hear.
At the beginning, I was very nervous.
Yes, you were.
I couldn't even find my wallet.
That's right.
Then I learned what to say.
You did.
I practiced again and again.
And look at you now.
I can say, I'd like to open a bank account.
Excellent.
I can say, I'd like to make a deposit.
Perfect.
I can say, I'd like to make a withdrawal.
Very good.
I can ask, what's my balance?
Exactly.
I can also say, I'd like to transfer money.
Fantastic.
And if I don't understand,
What do you say?
could you say that again, please?
Perfect.
If I need help,
What do you say?
could you help me, please?
Excellent.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you. I feel proud of myself too.
You should. You worked hard today.
Now it's your turn.
Yes, we'd love to hear from you.
Imagine you're at the bank.
What would you like to do?
Can you answer in English?
You can use one of today's sentences. Maybe you want to open a bank account
Or make a deposit
or make a withdrawal.
or transfer money.
Write your answer in the comments.
We'll be excited to read it.
And don't worry if you make mistakes.
Every mistake is a chance to learn.
Before we finish, let's say our key sentences one last time.
Repeat after us.
I'd like to open a bank account.
I'd like to open a bank account.
I'd like to make a deposit.
I'd like to make a deposit.
I'd like to make a withdrawal.
I'd like to make a withdrawal.
What's my balance?
What's my balance?
I'd like to transfer money.
I'd like to transfer money.
Could you say that again, please?
Could you say that again, please?
Could you help me, please?
Could you help me, please?
Great job, everyone.
You learned practical English for real life today.
And remember, you don't need perfect English.
You just need the courage to keep speaking.
Every conversation makes you better.
Every new sentence builds your confidence.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We're proud of every step you take.
Next time, I have another challenge.
Really? What's happening?
I need to go to the post office and send an important package.
That's another useful everyday conversation.
I hope I remember the right English.
Don't worry,
Why not?
because we'll learn together, one conversation at a time.
See you in episode 06.
Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English with confidence.